Hey guys, so we drove out of Matagalpa approximately 15 minutes ago. We're on what highway, honey?
We're in NIC 5 and we are going towards Cascada Blanca, which is
The White Cascade.
the white waterfalls, roughly around 25 to 30 minutes outside of Matagalpa town itself.
And elevation is around 3,000. It's going up and down, but we're around 3,000 in elevation. It's a cool morning. I got a sweater on. Windows are open, no air conditioning, and just land is loving it. There's some beautiful valleys here. The road is fairly good, but quite a few potholes, and you gotta drive slowly around here. Lots of zigzagging. Sunny morning. I don't know if I set the time. It's around 10:30 in the morning.
We're 6 minutes away, which is 4.2 kilometers. Cascada Blanca, 3 kilometers. So we were talking to this gentleman this morning from San Francisco, and he told us, don't go home yet. Go to where we're going right now. So he said it's just gorgeous here. So He said this is one of the best waterfalls in this area.
trying to extend as much time out here as possible before my boss tells me to go back to work. here. Of course, with all the grass, green around. And the cattle. Holy cow, did we see some nice cattle.